List out the beneficial aspects of transgenic plants. Plants with desirable characters created through gene transfer methods are called transgenic plants. Transgenic crop plants having resistant to pathogens and pests. Example, Bt cotton is resistant to insects. Transgenic plant suitable for food processing technology. Example, transgenic flower shower tomato. Transgenic plants with improved nutrition value. Example, transgenic golden rice. Transgenic plants are used for hybrid seed production. Example, male sterile plants of Brassica napus. Transgenic plants are more tolerant to abiotic stresses like chemicals, cold, drought, salt, heat, etc. Example, basmati variety of rice.